Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. I said get your popcorn ready. Hot Dylon fire has arrived in the form of the Yoda boys. The Toyota boys are back in the building, and this time they in a Toyota Camry. That means the Camryans are in the building. They say the Camryans are some of the best runners of all time. I like to disagree because I have yet to see a Camry do anything great when it comes running from the boys in blue. I have never seen a Camry get busy, but maybe today we can see one of the Camryans do something great. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Camryans down, aka Yoda boys, or will the Yoda boys make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get straight to the malarkey. Boys in blue sitting on the side of the road looking for a speeding victim. Oh, hold on now. Somebody shot past him. We got a speeder. We got a runner. I'm a runner, not a track star. Let's see who he after, y'all. We still ain't got no sound, so we don't know who he after. He might just be pulling up to get on the highway. Now he doing 80, 90, 96, 100. Oh yeah, he on somebody. He on somebody's ass. He on somebody like a bloodhound. He on somebody like a scorned baby mama that's tired of you living your life without her. You know what I'm talking about, baby fathers. Okay, we got sound, y'all. We got sound. Is it the semi? Nah, I know he ain't chasing that FedEx driver. But if I was that FedEx driver, I would have been sweating bullets. I'm like, oh man, I'm about to lose my CDLs. Damn. Hold on. He behind the Camry. He behind the Toyota Camry. Oh, no. We got a Toyota Camry in out here, y'all. Let's see what the Camry can do, y'all. Is this the female officer? Trey Davis. Doing 68. Too late, Camry. They know you were speeding, Camryan. We already know you were diabolical. Pull over, offender. Pull your musty ass over. I can smell you from here. The bad boys are behind you. Hold on. Is he speeding up? Oh yeah, he's speeding up. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, foot in hell. Give me a sizzling foot, devil. Take my foot for my freedom. Oh my goodness, the Chasers, what? He already pitted him? He pitted him at 120, y'all. Oh no. Oh, whoa. Pitting somebody at 120 is diabolical. 120 miles an hour? How you expect somebody to survive that, man? That's nasty work, bro. He went into the trees in the woods. The driver was found unrestrained and unresponsive. He regained consciousness and will be charged with. So he, damn, it's one of us. Damn, got us again, baby. The usual suspects, I guess. Come on, man. Why is it always us? They say it's the Diabolicans. Nasty work, man. What's his name? Thailand? Bazell? Thailand? The unstrained, under restraint. Okay, he's got charges. Fleeing, DWI, open container. Dang! Speeding 90 to 65. Improper use of special plates. No insurance. Failure to register vehicle. No license. No see. You shouldn't have been driving, Thailand. What was you doing, Thailand?
You can 64 the net. I don't need it anymore.
He definitely gonna need some medical attention, though. Thailand was out here just breaking the law. No insurance. Failure to register. He ain't registered vehicle. No license. No seatbelt. Improper special. What is special plates mean? Like handicap plates or something like that? Doing 90 and a 65? You're doing 25 over the speed limit. Dusted butt mother. You know what I mean? Nasty work, man. My thing is, did you have to pit him at 120 though, officer? Officer Davis, did you have to pit him at 120 miles per hour? I just want to know, was that called for?
Who's close to me?
I know he's a diabolic, but damn, don't you think 120 is a little excessive? Look at him. Man, they don't play in Arkansas. They do not play in Arkansas, y'all. Don't go to Arkansas speeding. Absolutely not. Meet me in the comments. Nasty, disgusting work is what I just saw. I saw disgusting work from the bad guy and disgusting work from the officer. Come on now. All I got to say is, you better not be speeding in Arkansas. If you speed in Arkansas, you better have something that can get away. Because if you can't get away, they're going to try to give you your wings. I don't care if it's your diabolic wings or your angel wings. They are going to try to send you to heaven or hell. It just depends on where you headed. You know, we all going somewhere. Some of us is going to heaven. Some of us is going to the depths of hell. And when you put your foot all the way down to the depths of hell, when you say body on earth, foot in hell, you basically said, devil, you can have my soul. The devil said, I'm looking for a soul today that's riding in a Toyota Camry. You want your demon wings? You said you're gonna sell you selling your soul for freedom. You gave him your foot. He said, I want your soul. I don't want just your foot. We just gonna eat your foot tonight. Your soul, we gonna eat on it for eternity. Nasty work, man. Listen, I ain't running in no Toyota Camry. I don't care if it's a TRD, a SLE, a whatever. If it say Camry on it, I'm not running in it. Listen. I know you Camryans think that your car is made to get busy. It's not. It's just one of the greatest sedans of all time, if not the greatest, because it lasts long and it is super duper reliable. But other than that, do not have your stinking ass running from the boys in blue. If I catch any one of you musted morons running in a Toyota Camry, I'm gonna pull you over myself. This is nasty work right here, y'all. This is very disgusting. But the cop, come on, man. You already doing 99 miles an hour. Look, he gonna pit this man at 120 miles an hour. This is attempted, you know what? 120. He actually 121. Nasty work. Come on now. Diabolical. But you did. Listen, we can't be mad at him, really, because when you are diabolic, what do you tell the devil? Take my foot for my freedom. The devil says, listen here. I can give you your freedom, but we don't know what kind of freedom we're going to give you. I can give you freedom from Mother Earth, if you like. You can come down here with me in hell. I can give you that if you want it. Just sell me your soul, baby. Yeah, they say he was found unrestrained and unresponsive. He would regain consciousness and be charged. So soon as he opened his eyes from that hell slumber, they said, cuff him up. Cuff him up. Read him his rights. You're going to jail, stankin'. You're going to jail, dookie smeller. You're going to jail, mustard butt. Yeah, I know you thought it was a dream. No, it was a nightmare. All that happened to you. He probably all broke up. See, they don't want to tell us what really happened to him. I'm pretty sure he had quite a few broken body parts. Probably broken ribs, broken arm, broken femur. He would never, ever be the same. Hey, that's what happened when you run from the police, especially the Arkansas police. Don't run from the boys in blue if you are in Arkansas. Listen, this could be you. I can understand why my boy right here ran. He had fleeing DWI, open container with alcohol, so he drunk as a skunk. A skunk that's drunk. And he had improper special plates. He ain't supposed to have those. No insurance, failure to register vehicle, as well as no license and no seatbelt. He was freestyling. A freestyle criminal. He was doing what he wanted to do, and he got what he wanted. Yoda boys, this is the second day in a row that you let us down. Listen, running from the boys in blue is not your specialty. Maybe when we get a Supra on the channel, you might perform quite well. I don't know any other Toyotas that's worthy of speaking of, except the Supra. What was it, Toyota Celica, whatever that was? It ain't even worthy. But with that being said, I got to get on out of here. Let me leave y'all with some positivity. But before I do that, like, comment, and if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And all of my werewolves, if you watching this video, can you please hit the hype button? Can you please hit the hype button? I said button for your boy, your king werewolf. Listen here, y'all. 35,000 werewolves too. I just want to let y'all know, y'all got us up to 35,000 werewolves. That's a lot of werewolves, y'all. Listen here, I love y'all. That's why I'm about to give you some positivity. Listen to me when I say this. You sitting back, letting your damn life pass you by. Did you hear me? Yes, that's what you're doing. You sit back letting your life pass you by because you ain't got no damn confidence in yourself. Man up, woman up. Stop worrying about what other people gonna think about you. Do what you got to do to be successful. If you gotta run through somebody, goddamn it, do it. If they standing in your way and they don't want to step aside, run through they fucking ass. Cause that's what I'll do. If you standing in my way of success, you better get out the way or I'm gonna push you out the way or I'm gonna plow through you. And that's what you need to think like. You got to think you only own this ball of dust. It's a beautiful ball of dust though, but you only here for a short period of time. Limited time, 70, 75, 80. You might get lucky and get 90 to 100. That's not a very long time if you want to think about everything and all this stuff. That's not a long damn time. It's really a blip. That's it. And you gone. They may remember you for 1 generation, 2 generations, maybe if you're lucky 3. Most likely they're going to forget your ass within 2 years of your death. I know it sounds crazy, but it's the truth. Your legacy will not damn live on 9 times out of 10 unless you was just goddamn-tacular. And even if you were spectacular, if they don't put you in the book, if they don't stamp you as spectacular, not too many generations would know. So that means stop worrying about other people because ain't nobody gonna remember your ass. Live your life to the fullest. Enjoy this life. And goddamn it, when it's time to go, shut your eyes. You can say, I did it. I did it to the best of my abilities. I worked hard, I put in the work, and I lived a damn good life. Or, and there is an or, you can close your eyes forever and say, damn, I didn't try. I was weak. I was a quitter. I didn't have no damn confidence in myself, and I lived a horrible life. I got plenty regrets. Is that what you want? Because you can get it. You can get it. You got to make that decision, though. Stop it. All I can say is stop it. I don't want none of my werewolves out here acting like they want to take themselves out the game. Absolutely not. I love you. I got confidence in you, and I don't even know you. I know you can do great things. Put your mind to it. Look in the mirror and say, why not me? Why not me? Can you do that? Can you do that? And I promise you, if you work and work and work and keep trying, things gonna happen for you. Not everything. I'm a realist. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Everything ain't gonna pop off for you, but a lot of the stuff will. Just don't give up. Somebody loved you. Somebody named T-Light. If don't nobody else love you, I love you, goddammit. Don't give up. And with that being said, I got to slide my dusty ass on up out of here. I got to get to the munyon. That means I got to go to work. But let's check this out. Who gave you 3 videos today? Did your favorite YouTuber give you 3 videos? If his name is T Lights World, he did. Because if his name ain't T Lights World, he probably didn't do it. He don't like you like he say he do. Or she don't. They don't appreciate you. They never talk to you in the goddamn comments. They never say nothing to you. You notice that? I used to be the same person. Comment to my favorite YouTuber. He don't even heart my shit. They don't appreciate you no more. When they first started, they appreciated you. Then they just stop appreciating you. Ain't that kind of funny? They don't appreciate the love that you're giving them. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. That means that's why I take the time in the videos to say, I goddamn love you. I love you. Thank you. I appreciate everything. Thank you. And with that being said, I got to slide on up out of here. Y'all stay blessed up out here. And hey, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Don't you run. Don't you run. Especially if you in Arkansas. Don't be no fool or you will be a stain on the highway. You don't want to be a stain, do you? Don't run because we don't condone it. Pull your funky ass over. Pull over, stankin'. Pull over, moron. Take the ticket and make it home to your family. Jittig. But with that being said, now if you are a diabolican, you already got your wings. I can't do a damn thing for you. You already committed. You already gave your soul to the devil. And the only way you can get it back is you got to repent. and say, Lord, I made some mistakes, but I'm ready to change. I was once a diabolic and too. I know you can change. You just got to believe in yourself, baby. And with that being said, let me say one thing, though, before I go. Video. If you do decide to run, listen to me now, diabolican, because I can't stop you from running. If you do decide to run, listen to me now. Make sure it ain't no damn Toyota Camry.